Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about cheek length layered bob haircut for fine hair, stylish and amazing. If you have fine or thin hair and want a fresh modern hairstyles that adds volume and movement, this year's chin length layered bob is just for you. It's one of the most trendy, low maintenance and flattering haircuts of 2025, perfect for women who want a stylish yet easy to manage look. Let's explore how this haircut can give your hair more body, texture and confidence. First, let's understand why the chin length bob is so popular. This haircut sits right around your chin, not too short, not too long. In 2025, hairstylists are focusing on soft, natural layers that frame your face beautifully and give your hair that effortless, airy look. Now let's talk about the different styles of chin length layered bob. The first popular style is the classic layered bob. This is a clean, timeless cut that works well for all ages. The ends are softly layered to create fullness and length stays right at the chin. You can wear it straight for a sleek, elegant look or with gentle waves for a casual everyday style. The second trending style is the textured chin length bob. This one adds a modern, playful twist. Stylists use rosy or choppy layers to create a tasseled peaches. It's perfect if you want that effortless I woke up like this hairstyles. Just a little mousse or dry shampoo and you are ready to go. Let's not forget the layered bob with bangs. Adding bangs is one of the easiest ways to change your look without losing length. You can choose side swept bangs for a soft romantic vibe or sweepy curtain bangs for a trendy modern touch. Both pair beautifully with chin length layers and help frame your face perfectly. For those who love low maintenance hairstyles, the natural air dry bob is a big hit in 2025. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.